pessoal, eu sou Tamires Andrade, eu estou aqui na premiere do filme Som da Liberdade com o cofundador da Angel Studios. Prazer, Mr. Harmon.
Prazer. Tudo bem?
Tudo bem, e o senhor?
Tudo bem.
Graças a Deus. Deixa eu te perguntar, vocês da Angel Studios têm investido em diversas produções que têm se mostrado com bastante sucesso, por exemplo, The Chosen, e agora esse filme Som da Liberdade, que está arrecadando bastante dinheiro. Então eu queria saber do senhor o que é necessário num filme ou numa produção para que vocês invistam nessa produção. Quais são as características?
No Angel Studios, nós usamos the crowd. I'll speak in English. We use crowdfunding. So it's not Angel Studios. So like when Sound of Freedom came out to theaters, we had 6,600 members of our community invested to do the advertising for the film. So it wasn't this big studio money, it's the people invested, and that helps launch the movie to success. The Chosen had 17,000 people invest in The Chosen. And so it's crowdfunding, and that's the secret sauce behind why they're so successful.
So people participate of the production, right? Okay, and the next question is, what feeling do you want people to have when they leave the movie after watching Sound of Freedom?
A feeling of action. That there are millions of children all around the world in desperate situations. And this movie isn't about Tim Ballard, it's not about Jim Caviezel, it's about the kids. And so people need to come out feeling, I can take action. We have seen worldwide politicians signing pledges to take action. We've seen busts of child sex trafficking. We've had calls from nonprofit organizations saying, we're off the charts. Everybody's coming to support us now. And it's been a desert. And so this is a worldwide movement to help these kids.
So it's a movie to make people do something for children, right?
Yes.
Okay.
To raise awareness and create action.
Thank you, Mr. Harmon. It's a pleasure to talk to you again.
Thank you.